Goddess Saraswati is the Hindu goddess of wisdom, knowledge, learning, music, arts, and speech. She is one of the principal deities in Hinduism and is part of the Tridevi, along with Lakshmi, goddess of wealth, and Parvati, goddess of power and devotion. Symbolism and appearance. Saraswati is often depicted as a beautiful goddess dressed in white, symbolizing purity and knowledge. She is typically shown seated on a white lotus, representing supreme knowledge, holding a veena, a musical instrument, signifying mastery over arts and music, holding a book, Vedas or scriptures, representing wisdom and learning, holding a rosary, Akshamala, symbolizing meditation and spirituality. With a swan or peacock, the swan represents wisdom and the ability to distinguish right from wrong, while the peacock signifies beauty and the arts. Origins and worship. Saraswati is mentioned in the Rig Veda as a divine river as well as a goddess of knowledge. She is widely worshipped by students, scholars, artists, and musicians. Saraswati Puja and festivals. Vasant Panchami, Saraswati Puja. Celebrated in India and Nepal, it marks the arrival of spring and is dedicated to Saraswati. On this day, devotees wear yellow, offer prayers, and students place their books in front of the goddess for blessings. Navaratri. She is worshipped on the last 3 days of this festival, especially in South India. Other names and associations: Vagdevi, goddess of speech, Sharada, giver of wisdom, Vidya Devi, goddess of education, Brahmi, consort of Brahma, the creator. She is also revered in Buddhism and Jainism and has temples in India, Nepal, and Southeast Asia. Would you like me to include a specific aspect of her worship or history?
you.